This conference will
Yes.
now be recorded.
Yeah, I'm saying
Yeah.
save. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday we have seen how to create an app, right? How to create an app.
Yes.
Okay. So let me go to the tab. Yes, realization app. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Today let us discuss about data model. Okay. Data
Okay.
modeling means object creation. How we can define the
Mm-hmm.
data model and how we can create the objects. So object model and
Right.
data model is same. No difference actually.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Object and data same.
No,
Okay.
object model means
Yeah. Yeah.
we will create objects. Object model means, sorry, data model means we'll create custom objects. Okay. So we'll define the custom
Okay.
objects, then we create. So the entire process called data modeling.
Okay.
So let me go to draw.io. So let me open our project. So this is the project we were discussing yesterday, right?
Right.
So so before Salesforce, okay, just forget they are
Mm-hmm.
not using any Salesforce, any other. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so before Salesforce, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
here this company used to save the data, right? For every transaction, let's say if they have
Mm-hmm.
manufactured any product, okay, and the
Mm-hmm.
product transferred to any stores, okay, store related information, product related information, and employees who works for this company, okay, employees information. Next in the
Mm-hmm.
stores, once the sales has happened, so they'll have the track of the like how many sales has been done, like bills and everything, right? So all this data they used to save, right? Before Salesforce,
Okay.
maybe they used to save somewhere, maybe in the Excel file, or maybe on their local machines, in the form of Excel or Word document. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
maybe they are having some other third-party software, okay, which take care of
Okay.
saving the data. Okay, so now they decided to start Salesforce. Okay, so now the question here is how in Salesforce, how the data gets stored. Okay, so in
Okay.
Salesforce, how these people are going to be save the data, right?
Saving the data. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Okay. So in Salesforce, okay, so Salesforce will accept the data in the form of like yeah. Before coming to that, in Salesforce, okay, we can save the data, we can create the data in objects through objects. Okay, so
Okay.
what is
But
an
see,
object? Yeah,
can we delete the delete the object as well?
yeah, we can delete.
Okay.
Okay, once we create, you can delete the object. Okay, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
once you have specific time and once you have reached specific time, if you are trying to delete means with that object maybe some other object maybe having relationships, right? Those we have to see. Okay,
Okay.
but once you create without data anything, that object, that one you can delete actually. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Okay.
now what is an object? So what is an object here? So here object is nothing but a table in database, okay, which stores data in the form of rows and columns. Okay,
Okay.
so object is nothing but a table in a database which stores data in the form of rows and columns. Okay, so now here
Got it.
let's say now here account is an object here actually. Okay, account
Mm-hmm.
is an
Okay.
object. This is a standard object. Okay, this is a standard object. So let me go to setup here. Let me go to setup. Let's see what are the different standard objects are available in Salesforce. Okay, so just go to object manager.
Mm.
So here account is an object, right? Account. So
Okay.
this account we added in app as a tab actually. Okay, this account will added as a tab here because end user don't know this is an object, right? He knows that he will come to here and he will create some account, some stores, some employee, all those things, and he will save the data here. But
Okay.
technically this is an object for us. So if you click account and we will try to create any new account, okay, like trying to
Mm-hmm.
create any data. Okay,
Mm.
so whatever the data you give, this is a row and this is a column. Okay, and
Okay.
account is an object.
Sorry, what is the row and what is column? Can you repeat?
Yeah, this is the row, okay, and this is the column.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever the field name is row, and whatever the data you provide is a column.
Okay.
So let me open any of the existing record. So let me go to all accounts. So maybe this is the company, some Dixon, please. Okay. So this is account owner and account name. Okay. Account parent,
Okay.
account number. These are all called rows. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And whatever the data you are providing, so that is columns. Okay. So here
Mm-hmm.
account is an object, okay, which stores data in the form of rows and column in it, like
Mm.
which acts the data in the form of rows and column in a table. Okay, the data,
Okay.
the table will go and store in database, right? So here,
Mm-hmm.
so Salesforce says that, so don't worry about which data type of database I'm using. So here we are not bothered about Salesforce which database using. Still now, we Salesforce itself is not
You're not
officially
what?
yeah, they are not telling that which database they are using. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So got it. So what is an object? Object is nothing but a table in a database which stores the data in the
Close it. Mm-hmm.
which stores the data in a database in the form of rows and columns, right? In a table.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so now let's go and now we have to create the objects here, right? Now we have to create the objects for this project. Okay. So, but in this project, so can we name any from this diagram? Can we name anything an object here?
Mm,
If I
I
pick up anything, yeah, tell me.
I think store.
Yeah, store means stores. Okay, stores can mean object here. Okay, stores means store. So what is
Mm-hmm.
what are the what type
Store
of data
date.
I can? Yeah,
What
store
type
name.
of data?
Yeah, not type. What type, like what is the details that in store? What is the details I'm going to be create?
The store name,
Yeah,
customer's name.
yeah, means number of sales. So we can say number of sales, right?
Yeah.
Number
Yeah.
of sales, number of sales, and number of
Mm-hmm.
number of employees working for this store, right?
Number of exactly.
Number of employees.
Telephone number of the employees
Yeah, maybe
for
contact number
that.
of
Yeah.
contact number of store. We can say store contact number. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other thing? Stair. How the stair?
Timing.
Yeah, timings also exactly.
Timings of the store.
And I said rating. Rating can also we can give, right? How the
Yeah.
services. Okay. Any other
Right.
thing? Yeah. Okay. So any other
That's
thing
it.
can I take an object apart from store?
Uh, I think electronic products.
Yeah, electronic products means product. We can say products, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Product. Product can be
Mm-hmm.
an object here. So what are the things we can say regarding product?
Product name, product type.
Name, type of the product, and
What else?
next we can say price of the product, right? Price.
Price,
Right?
correct.
Yes, date of manufacture, right? Date of
Yeah.
manufacture, and any warranty is there on this product, right?
Right.
And we can say insurance
Insurance. Okay.
on the product, like it comes under warranty itself, right?
Got it.
Any other thing can we take in product?
Mm,
Yeah, maybe we'll see in the future, but as of now, these
yeah,
things I
maybe
can.
later. Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah. Any other thing? Any other can we take an object here apart from this product?
Dealers. Dealers.
Dealers. Okay, let's keep it. So what kind of details we can say regarding
Name of
dealer?
the dealer. Phone number. product.
That's covered and already in product, right?
Okay. So we don't have to relate.
Yeah, we
Just
don't
the
know.
tables. Okay. Okay. Name and the phone number is fine, I guess.
Okay. Any other thing apart from this? So once you went to the store, you'll pick up something and you will, while leaving, we'll get a
Pay.
bill, right? Yeah,
Pay.
we'll
Yeah.
pay. So what we will get,
Right.
we'll get a bill, right? Invoice,
Bill.
bill.
Mm-hmm.
So that one we can take an object here, right? Bill or invoice.
Okay.
So bill number, right?
Yeah.
Bill number
And the date.
and this date and mode of payment, right?
Right. Product type. Okay, that is done.
Yeah, we can say which product has been sold, right? Product, which product has been sold, and employee who sold this product, right? But
Okay.
their incentives and everything we can calculate how many products he
Correct.
sold. Okay, and product employee. Okay, tax. Generally we pay tax, right?
Tax.
Okay. Then any other thing we can say as an object here?
Nothing else. What else can we?
Yeah. See,
That's it.
employees also we can save the details. Regarding employees also we can maintain the details, right? Employees.
Okay.
But
Like you are considering as a whole, like, okay, we go to a store, whatsoever you see gets into a data, like a Joby, like
yes,
whatsoever you see, you can put it as in a database, right?
yes,
Like the
exactly.
employees you see and the
Yes. Employees means
product.
employees means, so generally if they hire an employee, okay, so employee data also they will store, right?
Right.
Which yeah, what is the name of the employee?
Employee name, employee
Designate.
ID,
Yes, yes, exactly.
phone number.
It's not saying, it's not only about the product stores, but also
I got
regarding
it.
employment also we have to save the data, right? Okay.
Right.
Name, ID of the employee and date of
Phone
join,
number.
date of join, sorry, date of joining, and phone number, and anything, email ID of the employee, okay, email, and salary, right? Salary setting, okay. What is his designation? And yeah, these things we can. Any other thing? Any other thing we can take an object here? But
I
as
think
of now,
that's yeah,
that's more
that's
than
it.
enough. More than enough, right?
Yeah.
If this
Yeah.
company wants to save the data, means they need to maintain regarding these data, right? That's more than enough for them, right? So
Right.
they are covering store information as well as employees information, product information, which product they are selling, and dealers information as well as bills, right? So that's more than enough. Okay.
So
Now,
if someone comes to pay, we can maintain a database of the regular customers as well.
yeah, customers data also we can pay. See, the customers data maybe we can implement in like a sales cloud, a service cloud. Yeah,
Okay.
customer data also we can save. That's not an issue. We can
Got
maintain
it.
customer information also.
Okay.
Now, okay, store, yes, we need, and product we need. Dealer, we are not able to collect more data, right? We are not able to store more information. So maybe
Right.
tentative, maybe
Yeah.
in future, maybe we can add. Okay, but as of now, let's hold. Okay.
Okay.
And bill, yes, we
Bill
need bill. Yes.
We need the employee as well.
Yes. So we have decided stores, product, dealers, bill, employee, or our objects, right?
Right.
So let's go and create those objects. Okay. So let me close this one. So I just came to add from here. So if I want to create, I have to go to admin, right? Admin setup.
Hmm.
So from setup,
Hmm.
just go to setup. From here, go to object manager,
Hmm.
create custom object.
Hmm.
One second, just go to object manager, create. We have two options. See, create custom object
Yeah.
from spreadsheet. So custom object means we can create one object at a time. Okay. Custom object from spreadsheet means you can create a number of objects at single one single process. Like if you
Mm-hmm.
want to create 100, 200, okay. So like that, what you can do, put all those information together in object, okay, and sorry, in Excel file, then upload the Excel file. The system will take it, create, okay.
Oh, the
But as
system
of
it
now,
created itself.
yes. So, but as of now, we'll go ahead with the custom object because we don't know how to create that one, right? If
Yeah.
you're a master here, then you can choose this option, okay.
Got it.
So create custom object. So what is a label means object name, okay. Object name here we
Mm-hmm.
have two things. Object name here also we have this object name is related to means API. This reference to this object name will use in development, like in terms of system we use this name, okay. So this
Mm-hmm.
name end user sees the name, okay. End user, how the end user is seeing the name, okay. This one,
Mm-hmm.
this one internal, if you're writing any program, anything, okay, we can call this name. So label means I'll say let me create an object called employee, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Employee. So let's say if you are given label as a something, okay, let's say
Right.
account, you are given label, the
Mm-hmm.
plural label should be, we should add s means accounts, okay. Same here, employee means employees, right?
Mm.
Okay. Plural means we have to call like instead of one, if you are 10, if 10 means like employees, right? One employee, 100
Mm-hmm.
employees means we'll say employees. One mean
Got it.
employee. That's one. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
E is a vowel, right? Yeah, well, vowels. Like we
Okay.
know the word vowel. Next,
Yeah.
whatever the name
Mm-hmm.
you have given, the same name will come here if you. Okay. So we no need to write
We.
anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you want to write any description, we can write the description here. Okay. Now, context help settings. Do you want to use this help settings standard one? You, or else you want to create your own by using Visual Force development tool. Okay. So if somebody has been already created using developer page, we can use here, but I will go with the standard one. Okay. Next, whenever we create any object, okay, system will create one record name. Okay. Enter a
Mm-hmm.
record name is one field, system will create automatically. Okay. So that field name, the data type can be a text or auto number. So here,
Mm-hmm.
see, whenever I create, let's say, whenever we
Mm-hmm.
create any employee details, whenever we try to give any employee details, okay, when we click
Mm-hmm.
save, okay,
Mm-hmm.
whatever the record get created in that record, if employee ID generates automatically, that's good, right?
Hmm. Right.
Yes, that's what. So I don't want to go with employee name. I want to go with employee ID, which generates automatically when you try to create any of the employee records. Okay, new employee records. Okay, so
Okay.
instead of text, ID means I have to select auto number, right? So
Hmm.
the auto number format should be like this: alphabetic and 4 zeros.
Numeric.
So it's
Mm-hmm.
yes. I'll go with the E triple zero, and starting letter should be one. So whenever the record got created, any record, so the ID should be E triple E double zero double zero. I'll take
Mm-hmm.
4 zeros. I'll E double zero double E triple zero one. Next E triple zero two, E triple zero four, like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it will generate the employee IDs. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
And just one thing, what is this number?
format auto number
Starting number.
E.
Start.
Why I one starting number one means, so E triple zero one, E triple zero two, E triple zero
Okay.
four means whatever
Okay.
the starting number you want to create with it should be starting with one. That's what I given. See,
Okay.
you can
So
you can see you can create 1,000 records. 4 means 1000 IDs you can create. The ID should be starting one is starts with 1, numeric
Okay.
1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5.
I got it.
Like, okay. Okay, select all these by default. Then deployment status. So do you want to use in deployment in development means? Yeah, in development means it's still under construction, means still we are working on this one.
Yeah.
So we cannot go for a go live, means we cannot give to end user to
Deployed.
access this one. Yes, if you select deployed,
it will
anyone
go
can
to
go.
live.
Yes, so allow search record, then click save. Okay, so now we have created an object. Okay, employee object. Okay, so we have to be add this object to here as a tab. Okay, to the app, to the tab, I have to add this object to app as a tab actually. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, see, okay, before that, whenever we create any object, any custom object, system will create by default 4 fields. Okay, 4 fields. Okay, out of them 4 are created by name, last modified by owner ID. So this name is field name, field label is whatever the we have given name, employee ID we have given, right? That one. Okay, auto number. So remaining are lookup relations. Okay. So remember whenever we create any object, system will create 4 default fields. Okay. So created by, last modified by, owner ID and name. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have to be what we have to do, we have to add this object as a tab here to this app, right? In end user screen. Okay, so for that what you have to do, just in the quick find select tab tab, just go to tabs, here tabs.
This tab is for, sorry, what?
See, this tab is nothing but so actually whatever you see in the end user, this is end user screen, right? This is end user screen. So in the end user screen, okay, so whatever the apps we have created, whatever the objects we have created, we have to be add that objects as a tab to app. Yeah, as a tab to objects, sorry, to app. So that's what I'm going to just go to tabs. Okay, custom object tabs, just click new. So here it will show the list of custom objects we have created, and it will ask you to select a tab style. Tab style means this is exactly, so account is a tab. Okay, and this style is this one. Okay, this picture.
Okay.
So select, so we have an option to select whichever picture you want, and we can create our own, create your own. You can create by selecting the different color. Okay, and inserting an image. Okay, so how to insert image into Salesforce we'll discuss in future. Okay, we cancel. So I'll go with the custom standard things, since employee means people. Okay, people selected. Anything you can select, no restrictions. Okay, now, so to whom you want to give access? Okay, I want to give to everyone.
The user.
Okay, yes. Next, to which app you want to so custom, on which custom app you want to add this object? I want to add to Reliance Digital, right? So select, then click save. Okay, just refresh here. See, object got added here, right?
Employee. Okay.
Yes, and you click new. So we have not created any fields, right? So it's a empty. So just we have added an object. Okay. Now let's go and create the remaining objects. Okay. Let's create the remaining objects. Let's go to setup here. Setup. Remaining 3 objects. Okay. Go to object manager. Create custom object. The object name, what object name I want to give? I want to give the object name called store, right? stores. Okay, then it's not a vowel. Okay, just leave everything as it is. Okay, allow activity, allow track and set. Okay, and allow search. See, previously I never used this option. Okay, why? Because I
Okay.
want to show, I want to launch the tab wizard tab thing separately. So that's the reason I just click save. Okay, so whatever the we created a custom tab, right? Okay, so
Hmm.
that we can launch from here before saving the record. If you select this one, launch new custom tab wizard after saving this custom object means, so whatever the tab I created, right, in the tab style I
Okay.
selected previously, right, that will come here. That will, if you select this one, okay, once you click save, the tab style selection thing will come automatically. Okay, see,
Okay.
no need to go to tab and select. Okay, so tab
Okay.
style select store means I want to select maybe map. Okay, something, just click. So this is something related to profile means to whom you want to give access. By default I want to give to everyone. Just click next.
Hmm.
Now app, on which app you want to access, add this tab object I want to add to lens system, right? And save.
Hmm.
Now let's come here and refresh in the end user screen whether the store got added or not. Yeah, stores got added, right? Okay, now
Right.
create another two, another remaining two also. Just go and create custom object. Now I will say bill. Okay, bill
Hmm.
as an object. So bills. Okay, and B is not a vowel. Allow track, allow record, allow recording. Launch new custom tab. Right. Just click save. Sometimes it stucks like this. Just refresh.
Also, it will not like there will
Go back.
not be any changes.
Yeah, you know, not be any changes. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just click tab style. Bill means I'll say books. Okay, bill books. Then click next. So access profile. So I want to give everyone. Click next. Now on which app you want to add. I want to add to lens system. Click save. Okay. Now let
Mm-hmm.
me create another object called. We have created employee bill stores product, right? Product. Okay. Hello, sets, right. Deployed. Allow set. Launch new custom tab.
It will
Click
not be
save.
in development.
If you keep in development, so
Mm.
you cannot add here. Means practically
Oh,
we cannot add here because still you are working and you are telling to user work here, but still you are doing some sort of, let's say you are constructing a house, okay, and you are telling to
mm.
your house owner saying that everything is ready, you come and use, but you are working inside the store, inside the house.
Okay. Okay.
It's meaning no, right?
Yeah. Got it.
So deployment means development means still you are doing some sort of changes. So if you
Mm.
select deployed means say everything is ready,
But
so
if we
no change.
want to change anything, the deployed
Yeah,
state is fine.
yeah, fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Something I select. Click next. I don't want to give to everyone. Only Reliance app. Let's click save. Okay. Now let's come here and refresh whether it got added all the objects or not. Okay. So
Got it.
we have created all the objects. It came right.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now we have to create fields. Means user updated fields. Okay. So for
Okay.
that purpose, actually, what I did, I created a document or data model document. Yeah, what I did, I created the fields, whatever we discussed, right? The field names, everything, right?
Okay.
Like names, whatever the things we have. So I just kept all those things in a proper format. Let's say product
Mm-hmm.
means product ID, data of purchase, insurance. Okay, insurance means which type the system will accept the
Mm-hmm.
data. It should be in the form of text. Price means currency. These things, okay, we'll
Mm-hmm.
discuss tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
I just want to show today only how to create objects and
Object.
how, okay, how we want to describe anything in how we can decide a particular thing is an object from seeing this data, like from this seeing this uh, project, like project flow. Okay.
Just one question. Would we be doing intro to SOQL too?
SOQL,
Right.
SOQL queries you're asking, right? So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, in admin, to be frank, we don't need, but if you want, I can give you some information. But to be frank, I'm not into SOQL, but I can
Okay.
help you. I can help you. I can suggest you which type of SOQL you want to study. Okay,
Oh,
but
so
admins,
basically
admins
SOQL, no,
won't do. Admins will
sorry?
not do that.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
SOQL comes under the development.
Development. Got it.
Yes.
Right, right.
But
No
SOQL,
worries.
see,
Mm-hmm.
SOQL means I can give you a few things. Just if you are able to understand, so we can
Mm-hmm.
learn. That's not an issue. Okay. But
Okay,
knowing
okay, okay.
SOQL things, that's very helpful. Okay.
Okay. So just one,
Yeah,
just
yeah,
one
awesome.
question. Is
Yeah.
is it much much more like SQL only?
Yeah, SQL only.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Okay.
No worries.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. One more thing I just want to tell. First initial 2 3 days I will take 2 days only I will take less time. After that, from tomorrow I'll spend 1 hour. Okay.
no worries.
Yeah,
No
yeah, tell
problems.
me.
Just one thing, two things actually. First thing, Monday, like this time, I will be working
Okay.
from like Monday, Thursday, and Friday. I
Mm-hmm.
work generally. I work from 12 to 6
Mm-hmm.
EST.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you let me know when you are available on
Mm-hmm.
Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and just
Then we'll
try
do
and
like
figure
this.
out your schedule.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Let me ask you. Okay. Yeah. Any another question? Another thing?
Another thing was uh, the recording. The
Yeah. I'll share.
recording,
I'll share.
yeah,
Tomorrow only I
yeah,
can share. Means tomorrow
yeah,
means by
yeah,
your evening time you will get it. Okay.
yeah. Okay, okay, no worries. You go on.
Yeah.
My questions are done.
Okay. How comfortable you are if I club with someone, but the crowd
Uh,
is less than 4 or 5 people, not more than that.
uh,
Are you
I
comfortable?
am, yeah,
That's no,
that's
no.
not good.
See. It's not
Uh-huh.
just for the sake of don't say yes. Okay. It's to be practical. Okay. Say Subhani, you can say in like a face to face. Subhani, I'm not comfortable. I'm comfortable with one to one. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm okay with one to one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't have any issues. Okay. But how comfortable you are if I club with someone? Are you comfortable?
See, I have, this is my first online training, I'll tell you,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So I don't know how comfortable I would be.
Yeah.
Of course, being in
Will.
person,
Mm,
you have a one-to-one interaction.
mm-hmm.
That is, of course, I think much more efficient. But I have never
Yes.
been in a four or
Okay.
five group discussion on the online training.
Okay,
So
okay,
I
okay.
really can't
Then
tell
we'll
you
do,
that way.
we'll do,
Mm-hmm.
okay. We'll do one thing. We'll go ahead with the regular one-to-one only. I'll not go into club with any one of you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now coming to the time part. So let's say, let me open the conversion. You are in
Yeah.
EST, right?
EST, yes.
EST to EST.
And I think in 2-3 days, no.
The time
Let
zone
me
will
just
change, right?
not the time zone, but the daylight saving would start
Yeah, that's what
probably.
I'm saying. That's
Okay,
what
okay, okay.
that's what.
Yes.
So let's say, so you're talking 12 p.m., right? Sometimes you are not available, right?
Here it's 1:40
No,
this
no,
this
I'm telling,
second.
no. I'm telling that generally
Acha, acha.
you will be
Sorry, I didn't get.
Monday and 2-3 days you said you have to go to office, so you won't be available.
Yeah.
What
Mm-hmm.
is the timings?
Uh, the timings are 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. EST.
12 p.m. to yeah, 12 p.m. is okay. When you will come back?
6. I reach if I start there from 6:30 also, so I'll be back by 7ish.
Mm, can we do it your time? Then we'll do one thing. Okay, we'll do
Mm-hmm.
one thing. If if you are able to connect late evening, I can spend
That's
time.
all right. I mean, yeah.
Like 1 second, 11 o'clock. Not 11, not 11. 1 second, not 11.
Mm-hmm.
1 second. Mm, So 6:30 means my 5 a.m. Early
Uh,
morning is also fine for me. 5 a.m. also fine for me.
6:30 because sometimes it's like 6:30. If I start from there by 6:30, I'll reach home by 7:15.
Okay. Let's do one.
Yeah.
Let's do one thing. Okay. Let's go ahead with whenever you are available. At least a week. Saturday, Sundays. Anyway, you are not working, right?
Saturday, Sundays I'm not working.
We'll do
Uh,
one thing. We'll do one thing.
mm-hmm,
Whatever the days you
mm-hmm,
are not available, Saturday, Sundays.
mm-hmm.
Do you have generally any plans to go out and like that? Anything you prefer? Like
Generally
it,
I go in the night only, not
okay.
in the mornings or.
Morning, right? So we'll do one
Mm-hmm,
thing. In your case, Saturdays, your Saturday, Sunday, I will take. Okay. And what
mm-hmm.
are the remaining days you won't be available?
I won't be available. Like I am available that way.
No, no,
Just
no, no, no.
like.
No, I'm
Uh-huh.
just asking. Only for this week
Mm-hmm.
you are not available. 3 days means you are not available means
No, no,
this
no.
time you are not.
Every week. Every
Every
week.
week, every week,
Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah. Monday,
Ah,
Thursday, and Friday,
okay,
12
okay,
to 6:30.
okay,
I work somewhere. Okay.
okay. Then we'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Monday,
Yeah.
Thursday, and Friday. We'll take a week off. Okay.
A week off.
Week off in the
Uh,
sense, in these 3 days, at least 2 days. Anyway, Monday to Friday only I will take for everyone. At least Monday week means
mm-hmm,
5 days. Okay. So what I will do,
mm-hmm,
Saturday, Sunday, okay, and Tuesday,
mm-hmm.
or we'll do one thing.
Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll do one thing. Thursday, Friday, you are not available, right? Thursday, Friday, and Monday, right?
Yeah.
So Thursday, Friday will take week off. Okay. Remaining days will connect. Only Monday I'll try to change I will adjust the timings. Okay. One day.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
okay.
So let me just write it somewhere.
You can write, you can
What
drop
day?
an email. You just drop an email. Say same thing. That could be both of us.
Uh,
Or you
okay.
can text me in WhatsApp. That is my WhatsApp number, whatever number you called me, right?
Oh, is it
My WhatsApp number.
the? Okay, okay.
628170.
Got it, got it. So I should write first because I also
Yes,
forget.
yeah. Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Thursday and
So
Friday
the
is week
days
off.
are Monday,
You you
Saturday,
you, you write like
Mon.
this. That you write like this. Thursday and Friday is a week off. Okay. Remaining all the days will
Mm,
connect by 11:30. 11:30 p.m. IST, and Monday depends upon the both availability. We'll try to adjust the timings. Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. On what days you said?
Thursday and Friday
Week off, I get it. And
Yes.
else, other days you're gonna connect 11:30
11:30
IST.
11:30 IST. 11:30 p.m.
Got
IST.
Got it.
Because
11:30 p.m. IST.
after a few days, maybe 1-2 weeks, I'll get 1-2 slots free. So that time, Thursday and Friday also we can plan to have a session. That's not an issue. Okay. But
Okay.
let's go for 1-2 weeks like this. After some time, I will also few batches I'm going to be complete, so that I'll also
Okay.
get time.
Just one thing. These days,
Yeah.
like if we go in a very smooth manner, like
Okay.
every Thursday, Friday, no, sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. If we go these days very smoothly,
Okay.
till what? I mean, just very vague question. What tentative data can we complete? I understand it's a very vague question. If you don't want to answer, that's all right.
No. I will answer definitely. I need at least 4 weeks, minimum 4 weeks.
Minimum 4 weeks.
4 weeks of working, like 4 5s are 20 hours.
20 hours. Got it.
Yes.
Okay. No worries.
Minimum. No, minimum. If you are in a hurry, if you are in a hurry to complete, maybe we can reduce to 3 to 4 hours.
No, I'm not in that much of hurry. It's just that I want because we have started, like we have taken 3 to 3 classes, right?
Yes, 2 classes. 2 classes.
I wanted to complete by April. What do you say? April starting, so that I give my exam ASAP.
We have very like by March end we'll cover. My promise.
Is
by
it?
March end. Yeah, by March end.
Okay. Because I was thinking, so I'll also give the exam. And is the exam very tough, or how do you rate the exam?
I can rate the exam